You can qualify for up to $30,000 in a forgivable loan. This program is designed for homeowners in the Peel region, but there are some certain limitations and requirements that you have to meet to qualify. Hey everybody, Stephen Ho here with the Mister Sauga real estate team, and I got some big news. The region of Peel announced their second unit home renovation program. This program is to help homeowners that have second units in their current home to create a little bit more affordable housing options in the region of Peel. Now, this program is designed for homeowners in the Peel region, but there are some certain limitations and requirements that you have to meet to qualify. So this new program is offering $20,000 for homeowners to retrofit their units to create more affordable rental housing options. You can also get an additional $10,000 in a forgivable loan to rent out your unit to a tenant that is referred to you from the region of Peel. But obviously there's going to be some requirements that you have to meet. So to qualify for the $20,000, you have to currently live in your home and you have to have an existing second unit that's not registered with the city. You also have to have a household income total less than $110,000 per year. You also have to rent to a tenant with a household income of less than $61,000 per year. You also have to complete a mandatory landlord and human rights training program. You also have to have an assessed home value that falls within the 90th percentile in your municipality. There's also a couple of other requirements that you can find on the city website in the links below. If you're hoping to receive the additional $10,000 in a forgivable loan for a total of $30,000, you have to be able to rent your unit out to one of the referred tenants that is given to you by the region of Peel for the next 10 years at an affordable rental rate. Here are some of the prices for the different cities as well as different units, 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, or 3 bedrooms. You can see the different rates. These might be a little bit different from the current market rates, but obviously it depends on your unit and the location. $10,000 is to kind of compensate you for the differences that you might be looking at in the market rental rates versus what you're obligated to rent these units out for. Obviously, this option is going to open up some options that give you a little bit more higher rental options, but also to different tenants. But also the region of Peel housing services, you're going to have more access to some of those services that they are offering. In order for the second unit to qualify, you have to have a second unit existing already, but it's not registered with the city. Obviously, you got to be using it for rental purposes already. That just requires a little bit of renovations or retrofit or renovations to bring it up to code. So once the repairs or renovations are completed, you have to register this unit with the city. But again, this program does not apply to anyone who's trying to construct a new second unit in their home. Another requirement is that you can't have more debt or mortgage that is higher than your current assessed value by the Municipal Property Assessment Corporation, or MPAC. So you have to qualify with less mortgage than the assessed value. That means there's more equity in the house than the assessed value. Then you would qualify. But I wonder how this program is going to work. It means that you're probably going to pay a little bit more higher in property tax at the end of the year. Your house is going to be assessed a little bit more as well, so you're going to gain more value there. And you're going to get subsidies to help retrofit your house to be up to code. So this is all kind of a good win-win. But what do you think about this program? Would you take advantage of it? Do you think this is a benefit to you and your house? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think. If you want to chat, hit me up. Love to talk about it. And until then, stay safe and hope to see you next week.